Redragon sent me their newest gaming mechanical keyboard for testing and review. Let's quickly check this out. The name of the model of this keyboard is Redragon K686 PRO, and this is a mechanical gaming keyboard with a shine-through keycaps and I think with red linear switches. Let's quickly go through the main functions of this keyboard. From the first look, this is pretty standard keyboard for our days, but with several very important moments, what is actually a benefit of this keyboard. First of all, this is a mechanical knob. This is shine-through keycaps, but we will check them in a little bit closer in a second. We have this double legends on the keycaps. You see it's for Mac and Win, and you have all additional legends on these keys. You see how to change the RGB settings and all of that, which is cool. From the right side, we have a wireless dongle. This keyboard can be connected through Bluetooth or 2.4 GHz dongle, and we have a slot for it, which is good. From left side, we have a couple of switches. One is basically switch between 2.4 and Bluetooth mode, or Mac and Win operation systems, and USB-C charging and connection port. From the bottom side, everything very standard. We have this adjustable feeds, and we have several rubber spots, and I can see that we have these screws. Theoretically, it should be easy to disassemble this keyboard and check what is inside. From the keycaps point of view, I think this is a double shot ABS shine-through keycaps, right? I can say that pretty well made, high quality keycaps. Under them we can see the red linear switches. It's like a Redragon own red linear switches, very simple, 3-pin. And under the switches we can see the PCB plate. What I can notice that we have a switch pad, which is good and which is pretty unique for the gaming keyboard. Also, I need to say that we have north facing RGB, and this PCB supports 3 or 5 pins switches. Let's do the quick sound test before I will disassemble this keyboard to check what we have inside. As you can hear, the pretty standard sound, which is not the most important stuff for the mechanical gaming keyboard, right? But still pretty solid. And this is because of a lot of dampening and sound absorbing forms inside. I will show you in a second. Together with this knob, mechanical knob, and pretty bright full RGB, I may say, and of course a given budget around $55 US dollars on the moment of recording on a Redragon official site, I would say it's pretty solid budget choice for gamers who is looking for full size or almost full size of the mechanical gaming keyboard. What I can see as a structure of this keyboard, we have a top shell, plastic shell. By the way, check this out, pretty interesting message, ready for battle, because it's a gaming keyboard, right? What I need to mention, right, that this is a gasket mounted keyboard, which is again a little bit unique for the gaming mechanical keyboards. Here we go. If you are gonna to disassemble this keyboard, please be careful with these cables. We have two cables connected to the PCB. One is this switches from Bluetooth to wireless mode, and second is battery. Battery is 3000 mAh, not the biggest one, and that's all. But inside the PCB sandwich we have several layers of absorbing form. One is a plastic switch plate, then we have this layer in between, and then we have this switch pad, which is good. From one side, the structure of this keyboard is pretty simple, but from other side, take into account how easy you can disassemble and what you have already inside the case, you can easily mod this keyboard to the pretty solid level of mechanical keyboard. What I can say as a summary of this newest keyboard from Redragon, for given budget and with a given amount of features like this knob and wireless connection and all these legends and pretty good keycaps, I would say it could be a really good choice if you're looking for the gaming mechanical keyboard, budget keyboard with RGB, with all of this and with a full size of the layout. Please check this out if you are on the market for this type of a keyboard. Thank you for watching. See you next time.